It's raining. It's pouring. That old man is snoring. I think I just heard thunder. Wow. Well, I got all this dry spot here. But as you can tell, my doggy's way over there. Hi, Chica! My dog's way over there, and she's in the rain, so and she's scared of the skateboard, so I can't skate here in the dry spot where Chica can be will drive. So I'm going to the garage. Close the door, Kevin. Thank you, slave. See, I always come prepared. If it's a rainy day, I can always use the garage. Kind of dark right now. The light will soon light up right now. But look at all that space. Yeah. It's a rainy day. I'm going to be using this spot from now on. Subscribe.